Let me tell you a secret most men never hear. The less you talk, the more she feels. You think words pull her closer? No. It's your silence that makes her lean in. The man who knows when not to speak is the one she can't stop thinking about. Have you ever noticed that the quietest guy in the room somehow commands the most attention? He doesn't chase. He doesn't overshare. He doesn't need validation. And yet, every woman in the room senses something about him. That's not an accident. That's power. You've been told to communicate, express, explain. But in reality, mystery moves her. And today, I'm going to show you exactly why women become obsessed with men who don't talk too much, according to psychology. Let's break it down. 1. Silence triggers. Curiosity. Silence doesn't mean you're boring. It means you're intentional. Every time you don't respond instantly or you let a conversation breathe, you're showing her that you're not desperate for connection, you're selective, and that's powerful. It shows her you value your thoughts and your time, and you're not handing it out to just anyone. Psychologically, this creates a feedback loop in her brain. She becomes hyper-focused on decoding your behavior. She notices your facial expressions, your body language, the tone of your voice when you do speak. Suddenly, every little action of yours becomes significant to her. That's the power of being quiet. You become a symbol, a mystery she wants to solve. In relationships, especially in the early stages, silence works like an emotional amplifier. When you speak less, the few words you do say carry more emotional weight. And that's what women crave, emotion, not information. You don't need to tell her your entire life story to get her invested. You just need to create an emotional space where she can feel your presence without drowning in your words. If you can master this, if you can stop trying to fill the silence and instead own it, you'll see a massive shift in how women respond to you. They'll lean in, they'll open up, and they'll stay curious. Because at the end of the day, she doesn't want everything handed to her. 2. Less talk, more presence. Real presence doesn't come from words, it comes from energy. When a man walks into a room and doesn't need to speak to be felt, that's presence, and women sense it instantly. In psychology, this kind of energy is referred to as nonverbal dominance. It's the ability to impact your environment without needing to explain yourself. And when a woman feels that, she doesn't just notice you, she's drawn to you. Talking less allows you to anchor the room. It's a form of grounded masculinity that communicates, "I'm in control," without saying a single word. A man who talks too much often comes off as anxious or needy. He's trying to prove something, fill gaps, or win approval. But a man who can sit comfortably in silence, that's a man who's mastered himself. This calm, composed demeanor creates a space where a woman feels both intrigued and safe. She knows you're not going to overreact, interrupt, or overwhelm her. Instead, you offer a steady frequency, a grounded energy that she can attune to. That's attractive on a deep subconscious level. It's what makes her feel like she's finally met a man who isn't just listening to her words, but holding space for her presence. Presence is magnetic. It can't be faked and it can't be rushed. It requires self-awareness, emotional control, and a strong sense of who you are. When you stop feeling the need to constantly talk, you free yourself from trying to impress. And that's when you actually become impressive. This doesn't mean you never speak. It means that when you do, your words land with precision and impact. It means you're not wasting energy trying to win her attention. You're letting your energy speak for itself. And women, especially intuitive ones, pick up on this at lightning speed. In a world full of noise, presence is rare. And women are biologically wired to be drawn toward what's rare. So the next time you're tempted to talk just to fill space, pause. Let your silence speak. Let her feel you, not just hear you. 3. Words can kill polarity. Most men kill attraction without realizing it, by trying to connect through words. But female psychology doesn't work like that. Women connect through feeling, not logic. And every time you over-explain, justify, or emotionally overshare, you unknowingly start killing the emotional tension that makes her crave you. This is where polarity, the magnetic pull between masculine and feminine energy, starts to collapse. You might think you're bonding by telling her your whole day, your detailed past, your hopes and your fears. But the truth is, that flood of words often overwhelms her emotional system. It gives her too much certainty, too much familiarity, and that removes the element of mystery, the very thing that sparks desire. Think of attraction like a dance. You take a step, then pause. She takes a step, then waits. It's the pauses, the gaps, the unknowns that create anticipation. But when you're constantly talking, constantly sharing, you remove the suspense. You remove the tension. And with it, you remove the polarity. Here's what women really want: a man who knows how to hold space. That means you listen more than you speak. You let her express herself emotionally without immediately reacting or solving. You nod, smile, keep eye contact, but you don't fill every second with your voice. When you speak less, you become a grounding force in the dynamic. You become the emotional anchor, and she'll start looking to you as her safe space. On a psychological level, this is also tied to how women test men. When she shares something emotional or confusing, she's often watching your reaction, not your words. If you react with logic or panic, you fail the test. But if you respond calmly, or even with a playful smirk, you pass. Why? Because it shows you're not easily shaken, and that's deeply attractive. Less talk also means less opportunity to reveal insecurity. The more you talk, the more likely you are to overshare, to seek validation, or to come off as needy. But when you practice restraint, your words carry more power. And power is what pulls her closer. So stop killing polarity with endless explanations. Let her feel your vibe, not just hear your voice, because emotional tension, not verbal connection, is what keeps her obsessed. 4. The power of the unpredictable mind. Unpredictability is one of the strongest psychological triggers for emotional engagement. In the context of attraction, it keeps a woman mentally and emotionally locked in. When a man is predictable, when she knows how he'll react, what he'll say, when he'll text, her brain slowly disengages. But when you're quiet and emotionally elusive, you introduce an element of uncertainty, and that uncertainty becomes a magnet. Think about it. We chase what we can't fully understand. And the same rule applies in attraction. When you're not always available, when your energy varies subtly, when you don't always share what's on your mind, she becomes mentally invested. Her curiosity transforms into emotional attachment. The unpredictable man is not random or chaotic. He's intentional. He withholds just enough to keep her wondering, not because he's playing games, but because he values the dance of polarity. He understands that full transparency too soon kills the spark. He knows that silence is more intriguing than constant explanation. Psychologically, unpredictability activates the brain's reward system. When rewards like attention, affection, or validation are inconsistent, the brain works harder to achieve them. It's the same principle behind addictive behaviors. If she can't figure you out, she becomes more invested in trying. And that effort deepens the bond. Now here's the trick: balance. You can't be so closed off that she feels rejected, but you also can't be so transparent that she stops being intrigued. The sweet spot. Give her just enough to feel emotionally safe, but always leave something unsaid. Leave a pause, leave a question unanswered. Let her lean forward instead of back. A man who understands the power of unpredictability doesn't just attract women, he keeps them intrigued long-term because she never feels like she's completely figured him out. And when she's still trying to understand you, she's still emotionally engaged. That's where obsession starts. 5. Talking less means valuing your words. When you speak less, your words gain weight. That's a truth that many men overlook in the pursuit of being liked, understood, or accepted. But here's what psychology shows us. The human brain assigns greater value to things that are rare. And that includes the things you say. If you're always talking, always explaining, your words become noise. But when you speak selectively, every sentence becomes an event. A man who talks less isn't hiding. He's being intentional. He knows that words are like currency, and overprinting them causes inflation. The more you say, the less each word means. But the man who listens, pauses, and waits until his message is refined, that man commands attention when he does speak. Women are especially tuned to this. They pay attention not just to what you say, but how often you say it. If you only speak when something is truly important, she learns to lean in when your mouth opens. She doesn't interrupt you, she listens with more focus. Because you've conditioned her to expect meaning when you talk. There's also a deeper psychological layer at play, the principle of contrast. When you're quiet most of the time, your occasional bursts of speech contrast sharply with your usual demeanor. This creates emotional spikes, moments that stand out in her memory. It's like adding color to a black and white painting, and those emotional spikes are what keep her coming back. Talking less also signals emotional maturity. It shows restraint. It says, I'm not here to dump my emotions on you. I'm here to move with intention. And that level of self-control is magnetic. It tells her you don't need to fill silence with noise. You're already full on the inside. So start treating your words like gold. Say less. Mean more. Because the fewer words you use, the more powerful you become. And in her world of noise, a man who speaks with weight stands out like silence in a storm. 6. Quiet men. Emotionally stable men. One of the most irresistible traits in a man is emotional stability. In a world where reactions are instant, emotions are fragile, and everyone's looking for a dopamine hit, a calm, quiet man stands out like an anchor in a sea of chaos. And women, especially emotionally intelligent ones, are drawn to that kind of grounding force. When you don't talk too much, you come across as composed. You're not rushing to fill the silence. You're not over-explaining your intentions. You're just being. And that being communicates something powerful. I am not emotionally dependent on your approval. Quiet men are often wrongly labeled as distant or cold, but the truth is they're usually just centered. They've learned that reacting to every emotional wave only pulls you deeper into the storm. And women, they bring the emotional waves, not because they're unstable, but because they feel deeply. And they want to know if you can handle that depth without sinking. So when she tests you with drama, silence, or emotional spikes, and you stay calm, neutral, maybe even amused, you signal emotional strength. You're not controlled by the moment. You own the moment. And that creates a sense of safety that women don't often experience. It's not about fixing her emotions. It's about standing solid while she feels them. Here's the kicker. Emotional stability is rare, and what's rare is attractive. When you can remain unaffected by mood swings, accusations, or emotional manipulation, she sees you as something more than a man. She sees you as a rock. And that respect builds attraction faster than any sweet words ever could. So the next time you're pulled into an emotional whirlwind, pause. Don't explain, don't argue, just breathe, ground yourself, and stay quiet. Because your silence says more than any defensive rant ever could. It says, I'm in control of me. And that's exactly the kind of man she obsesses over. 7. She'll chase the energy she can't control. Women don't fall for what they understand. They fall for what they feel. And when a man speaks less, his energy becomes the main communicator. If she can't predict your every thought, every move, every emotion, she becomes engaged on a deeper level. It's no longer about words, it's about sensation, and she chases the sensation she can't control. This is where a lot of men get it wrong. They try to win her over by explaining themselves, being emotionally available 24/7, or oversharing in the name of vulnerability. But that only makes them feel safe in a friend zone kind of way. It doesn't create obsession. Obsession comes from uncertainty, from contrast, from the emotional roller coaster of wondering what you're really feeling underneath that silence. When you speak less, she has to read you. And guess what? Women love to read between the lines. They study your body language, your eye contact, your pauses. She starts interpreting every detail. And the more she analyzes, the deeper she dives into emotional investment. This is basic behavioral psychology. What we invest energy in, we value more. So when she starts decoding your silences, she begins investing in you emotionally. And once she's emotionally invested, she's chasing. Not because you played a game, but because you allowed her the space to feel. You don't need to be rude, cold, or distant. You just need to stop explaining everything. Let her sit with a question. Let her wonder how you really feel. Be slightly unpredictable. Not in a toxic way, but in a masculine mystery kind of way. The kind of unpredictability that says, I'm here, I'm steady, but I don't reveal everything. The men who get chased aren't the ones who talk the most. They're the ones who speak with their presence, so speak less, feel more, and let your energy pull her in like gravity. Because once she starts chasing the unknown, you become unforgettable. Look, it's not about being cold or distant, it's about standing in your power. And the man who can do that silently doesn't just attract her. He haunts her thoughts. If you're ready to be that man, drop a comment below. I speak with silence. Because when you stop chasing, she starts obsessing.